In today's video, I'm going to teach you create a new canvas. Let's get started by opening Photoshop. Head to File and choose New. In the dialog box, pick a canvas size and resolution that suits digital painting. A common flexible choice is 3000 by 3000 pixels at 300 dpi. This gives you plenty of room to paint with crisp detail and crop later if needed. When you're happy with the settings, click Create to open your blank canvas. Next, select the brush tool. You can press the B key on your keyboard or click the brush icon in the toolbar on the left. With the brush active, go to the top options bar and open the brush picker. Here, choose a brush that matches your goal. A soft round brush is great for smooth shading and gradients. A hard round brush gives you sharp, defined edges for sketching or clean shapes. If you have custom brushes, they're perfect for adding texture or painterly effects. Adjust the size and hardness as needed, and remember, there are handy shortcuts to quickly decrease or increase brush size while you work. Before painting, set your color. Click the foreground color box at the bottom of the toolbar, pick a hue in the color picker, and click OK. Now you're ready to paint. Click and drag on the canvas with your mouse, or if you have a graphics tablet, take advantage of pressure sensitivity for more natural strokes and better control. For finer control, open Window, then Brush Settings. Explore Opacity to control transparency, and Flow to manage how quickly paint builds up. Shape Dynamics lets you vary brush size with pen pressure for expressive lines. Transfer ties opacity to pressure, which is ideal for subtle shading and glazing. As you paint, a few tools come in very handy. The eraser tool, accessed with the E key, helps clean edges or remove stray marks. The smudge tool blends colors softly for smoother transitions. The mixer brush tool simulates wet paint for realistic blending. You can also adjust the opacity slider in the top menu bar to make your strokes more transparent. To navigate your canvas, zoom in and out with Control plus or Control minus. If you want to rotate the canvas for a better drawing angle, hold R, rotate, then release to continue painting in that orientation. When you're done or want to save progress, choose a PSD via File, Save As to keep your layers intact. For a final image to share, go to File, Export, and Export As to save a JPG or PNG, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.